Hello and welcome to Wandering Wanda. I'm Ariel. Today we are going to clear out 3 cabinets. It's the upper cabinets above the kitchen counter and also this one above the pantry. Okay, the lights don't go on right now because we are at the storage unit and the power is all off. So here's a peek of what's in there. These are all the dishes. Set of 4. Spices. Cups. What's in here? I use this a lot. My hot water, coffee in the morning. Okay, the cutting board, and this goes here in the sink. And there's 2 of them, which we will actually not be using anymore because we're getting an upper mount sink, so we'll redo something there. Cutting board. Okay, now what I keep all this in place with, these are actually napkin rings, napkin holders. They're attached by 3M tape down in the bottom, and there's 3 of them, and that's how I keep that in order. They're just heavy duty plastic. Lock and lock containers. Okay, the last of my chicken bouillon cubes. This is seaweed that I like to snack on. Asukal is sugar, peanut anchovies. A lot of this we're not going to carry anymore. Empty, and this is why we're not going to carry it. I have too many empties. Oh, forgot about this pasta. See, I have pasta, spaghetti. Okay, this is a coffee bean grinder. Didn't use it once. Coffee beans, didn't. This is too old. I'm carrying that around since the beginning of the trip. Chives, I do carry a stock of chives. I do need to throw these out. It's almost a year old. And what's in here? Oh, pistachios. Forgot about these. See, when you shove stuff in the back, forget about them. Now up here, this is the drying mat, so it's conveniently located. More lock and lock storage. See, I don't even know what's back here. Black cumin seeds. Okay, well, I don't even know why I have those. Okay, I do need to carry these still, in case I buy a bottle of wine. And I don't know if I can reach that. Okay, and this is empty. So that's what's in that. Surprisingly, that's a lot of stuff. Just those two. And a lot of this we're not going to carry again in the next trip for 2023. Okay, now I'm going to start emptying these two and see what we find in there. This is what was in that top drawer or cabinet above the kitchen sink. And a lot of things we're not going to carry again. That was what was on the upper cabinets, the living room area. Thank you for watching. Bye.